Hi Stackers, Regal back again. Bit quiet lately I'm afraid, been a bit busy. But here we go. So more silver. What we all love. Pull it open. There you go. Lovely bag. Get the bloody thing open. Right, I've got a couple of tubes here, as you probably can't see, sorry. Bloody things. Sometimes they just wrap them up too bloody well, don't they? Right, here we go. Eventually. Couple of tubes. What we have here is Queen's Beef Unicorn, lovely jubbly, eh? So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of those, and Queen's Beef Falcon. Wicked Witch. Look at that. Looks pretty good there, doesn't it? Get the light on that properly. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? The Falcon of the Nazi Party. I think the old Democrats would like this if it had a Nazi cross on it. Bunch of commies. Anyway, let's see what else we got. Oh, what do we got? I'll take it out of there, but you can obviously see that. 10-ounce unicorn, another one. So there we go. 30, move that away from there, all that crap there. So we've got 20 ounce of unicorns, 20 ounces of the Falcon, 10 ounce unicorn, and a load of crap. So, let me know what you think. Click to subscribe. Hit that bell button to let you know when I get more. We've got more coming tomorrow, the day after, next week, the week after. But is silver on the move? Very interesting. I did tell you. So, Regal. Keep stacking, people.